Alright, hello everybody. Today we have ourselves a Connex CX-3300 HP. This is one of the early 2000s models, I believe 2003, 2004. This is for Robert over at Badger there. We've got a whole batch of these we got to go through for him. But this radio in specific had two problems. One, when you key it and try and talk, you had no modulation. That was due to a cracked pin here actually on the back side of the mic jack. That's squared away. And then problem number two, didn't have any ears at all. If you started injecting anywhere from 30 dBm, you'd start seeing a signal on the S meter. Real faint signal sound, even at like S9. That'd be all the way down on the meter. But basically the front end was blown out on this radio, so we got that taken care of as well for you. TR32 was missing in the radio. We did put that back in there. Also 3.3 K ohms at R174 and R187. Your regulator back here as well. This was actually a TIP36C, but it did not have the companion part for it, so on the output on this radio, it was only doing like 30 watts max, which these are capable of quite a bit more. So we did change that back to a 2SB 827 because it does have the 1869 AM pass in it as well. So what else? Did a full tune-in alignment on the radio. Both diodes before the receiver there were replaced, and TR17 was replaced as well. This does utilize the toxic IRF 520 MOSFETs in it. Biasing adjustments have been redone too, with the regulator being changed, so we are at 3.8 volts on the driver, 3.65 on both the finals as well. I'm sorry, 3.6. Sorry. So we just want to show the inside there. Everything's been fully gone through, tuned and aligned on the radio. Full front faceplate was taken off. Everything was deep cleaned on it as well. Does have the jewel knobs. I'm not a large fan of those. They're a pain to take on and off and have them not stick with one another, but everything in that regard is good. You're not having any of the sticking problems with either of them, so that's a plus. But okay, we'll get her flipped over here and we'll show you what it's doing for receive. Okay, we do have a signal going into it. We do have a negative 67 dBm going into it. I'll start bringing up the volume here. Let's back that down a couple. Audible tone. Bring that down just a tad, it's killing my ears. Okay, start bringing it down here. 70, 80, 90, 100. 106 is 20 dB Sinad. Let me zoom that out there. 106 is 20 dB Sinad. 12 dB Sinad at negative 112. 10 dB Sinad at negative 114. So definitely not too bad. And bouncing at 3 dB at negative 123. And can still hear it there at 126. Put the noise blanker on. So all of your other functions work as well. I turn that Sinad off so I'm not slamming the meter there. Squelch operates as it should. RF gain works as it should. Okay, we'll get her hooked up here and show you what it's doing for output. Okay, we've just got a dead carrier going into it. We're looking at 27,184,996. Plus or minus 20 hertz, so we're definitely good there. 50 watt element in here. We do have here. Let me just change this here. Okay, we'll go. I guess that's okay. I'll just put this back in here. 6 all the way up, and we're at 2 down. Let me get this tone injected into it. Okay. Start bringing the mic gain all the way up. And we'll bring this open here. You can see we're looking really nice. That's from our low power. I'm going to bring this a step down, hit this open. We'll bring this a little bit larger. You can see our negative peaks are very nice, very uniform, the whole shot, and everything just looks really nice on this this unit here. We're looking at 11 watts average on our high power, and from our low we're going up to 4 average. Okay, and let me change the, I'm gonna go, I just have this in linear mode here, but let me go to reference level log. There we go. And our span, that's at 50 kilohertz. Let's go 100. So she cleaned up really nice, you know, as far as what it's doing. So all the way around, just doing very well. I can show you again, that's our high there. And I mean, if we go to our marker and we go to next channel over, we're at negative 80 dBm, and if we were to go 27185, we're at 25. So, you know, definitely intolerance as far as what is regulated for distortion or anything like that going into the next channel. We're far from it, so it's looking really nice. And again, we've kept it keyed down, not a single issue at all. Okay, here, I guess let's go here again, try and do this. This is tough to do one-handed. Okay, and we'll go peak, and we're seeing over 35. So let's hit it with the microphone and see how it sounds for the audio, and we'll go from there. Okay, so we've got her hooked up here as far as taking a look. Audio, Halo Radio 715. We're monitoring up there on the bench radio, ain't no doubt about it. This is from high power. Sounding really good, looking really good, ain't no doubt about it. We're doing right there around 45 watts steady in the high carrier position, ain't no doubt there. Man, on this old Connex 3300 HP, come on. And we'll go low power. Audio, Halo Radio 715 up here in Wisconsin, 715 out here around Wisconsin, talking on this dang old Connex 3300 HP, sounding all sorts of okay, ain't no doubt there, man, definitely doing the job, that is for sure, ain't no doubt about it. And we're looking here as far as linearity. We do have the marker placed right there at the next channel over. So it's really doing quite well as far as what it needs to do. Okay, now if we were to go marker and we go to 27185, okay, that's over here. Audio, Halo Radio 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Ain't no doubt about it. So it's definitely doing what it needs to do, staying where it needs to be also, that's for sure. So, okay, Robert, I do appreciate it. Oh, we'll show you from low power. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. I mean, honestly, that just looks really nice. And guys that say, oh man, well, he's got echo on. Let's turn it off and see how it sounds without the echo. Audio 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ain't no doubt. Sounds really good, man. Sounds really good in my opinion. No doubt there. No doubt at all. Looking good. Looking real good. Ain't no doubt in my mind, man. Ain't no doubt about it. Ain't no doubt about it. Look at that. That is from low power. That is from low power. Definitely doing what it needs to do. It would do a... Sorry, getting carried away. Anyway, Robert, definitely cleaned up for you. Glad to get this one back to a good bill of health. We'll catch you on the next one, guys. Take care for now. Bye-bye.